Hi guys, this is Preeti, your friend, astrologer, tarot card reader, twin flame specialist, intuitive coach. Today I'm bringing Who Will You Marry? Version of version in English. So let's see who you guys marry. So this is pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. This is pink band, this is yellow band, and this is red band. I want you guys to choose one pile. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is pile 3. I'm making this reading especially for people who are in US, UK, and who are in countries where you don't understand English. That's why I'm making it in English, especially for you guys. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. If you want to choose from numbers, this is pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Hope you have chosen your pile. So let's start your reading. I'm keeping this aside and let's see what is under pile 1. So pile 1 people, you guys might be dealing with earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The person with whom you are dealing, you see that person as your wife or your future husband and wife. If you are a female watcher, then you see that person, that male, as your provider, your counterpart, your future husband. And if male are watching my videos, you see that female as your wife, your counterpart, your future lover, your future wife. You are having a lots of options. See, you are having a lot of options right now. Maybe you are very confused about your love life and your work, your profession and your married life. Might be you having lots of options around you and it's very difficult for you to choose one person. But the person with whom you are dealing is your soulmate. You might be different from each other. You guys are different from each other. Like if she's a fire sign, you are water sign. If she is water sign, you are fire sign. So it's a combination of fire and water, which I'm seeing. And this relationship is divinely guided, and angels are protecting this relationship. It is a possibility that you guys are in long distance relationship with each other. You are in different countries and different states, and you guys communicate on social media, mostly on calls, text, and messages. This is your source of communication with each other, and that person or you see each other as your world, and you look each other from distance or from far. That is the possibility. Yes, definitely, that person is your soulmate. See, this is 6 of Cups. You are dealing with your soulmate, and it is possible that it is a possibility that you are dealing with your partner. You are business partners, and you suddenly fall in love with that person who's your partner. This is also I'm seeing, and now you are afraid that whether to choose that person or not, because he's your business partner, and that will affect your business partnership. If that is your scenario, what I'm seeing is that you will end up marrying this person, because this is marriage card. That person is your soulmate or twin flame. That is the possibility. You are focusing on your work right now. You want to focus on your work, and you see that person as very nurturing, very loving, very caring, and that person also sees you. If you are a cross watcher, you see that person as very loving, very caring, very nurturing. That person was very guarded in the past, or that person is very guarded in the past because he's very confused about whether to choose you or not, because his family is not ready, because you are not, but because he's not ready, because he's having lots of options, and he's very confused whether to choose you or not, and he's not letting you in your life. You are trying to provide him your cup of love, but he's not ready to receive that love. That is your situation right now. If this is your situation, definitely you will marry this person. So pile 1, this is your reading, and I hope you like my reading. If you like my reading, please do subscribe my channel, share, like and comment my channel under the under the comment section. So pile 2, this is your reading. Yes, pile 2. What I'm seeing is that you are dealing with a water sign or earth sign, and maybe you are dealing with air sign as well. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So you are dealing with these signs people. So that person is very slow. First of all, that person is very slow. It is a possibility that you all guys are from different culture and in different cities and different countries. That person is very slow moving. He's not very action oriented. He's very slow in taking actions. Maybe there is a possibility that he's very intellectual and very hardworking, very action oriented in work life, but he is not very interactive, very action oriented in his love life or her love life. That is a possibility. He's very slow. He's moving very slowly towards you, and this is a divinely guided protection. If there is no balance in this situation earlier, the balance is coming, and angels are protecting this relationship. You and that person right now is focused on work, and you are manifesting that person in your life. If there is no balance in this relationship earlier, so balance is coming, and that person is now ready to work on this relationship, or you are ready to work in this relationship. If this is your energy, this person is ready to work on this relationship, and he's manifesting this relationship back into your life, back in his life or her life. If you are dealing with if you are a female watching this, then your male is very slow and he wants balance in this situation. He's ready to work on this relationship now, and he's manifesting you back in his life. And if you are a male watching this, your female is ready to work on this relationship, and she's manifesting you, or you are manifesting her back in your life. She's ready to, she or he is ready to provide you his cup of love now. It is a possibility that that person you are dealing with is immature, and you are more mature than that person. Yes, of course. You are more mature, more understanding, more caring, more action oriented, and that person is very slow, very easygoing, very carefree in his love life, and that is why there is little imbalance in this relationship. Now he's ready to give you his cup of love or her cup of love. If you guys are friends, so now he's ready to take this relationship to a next level. And if you guys are already committed to each other, he will be taking this relationship to next level. Maybe he will propose you and provide you a commitment or marriage proposal or engagement proposal. This is a possibility which I am seeing. It is a possibility that that person is from places where there is more desert, more like Dubai, like in India there is a place called Rajasthan. So there is a possibility that he's from India as well, and maybe he's from Dubai, from any other place where there are lots of desert and sands and mountains, and he's immature. He sees you as his counterpart. He's taking you as his counterpart, and maybe he's imagining about you in his dreams, and maybe he's daydreaming about you. That person wants to travel towards you. As I told you, you guys might be in long distance relationship from each other, or from different countries, from different cultures and different backgrounds, and in different cities and different towns, and you guys meet each other by traveling towards each other, or you need to travel towards each other for meeting each other. Yes, you cut that person down out of your life because he's not taking any action. He's slow. If this is your situation, definitely you gonna marry that person, and you will end up marrying that person. You guys are totally different from each other. See, yin and yang. It is a possibility that you guys are twin flame. See, divines are protecting this relationship, and it is a possibility that you are in twin flame relationship with this person. It's a possibility that there is a pull and push in this relationship, and earlier he is not ready to commit towards you, or he is the runner and you are the chaser. As if now you cut down that person out of your life, and now he's coming back towards you and wants to come towards you. That is also the possibility. So if you are dealing with this kind of person, definitely you will end up marrying this person. So this is my reading for pile 2 people. Hope you like it. If you like it, please comment in the comment section and appreciate my work. Please like it. Please comment in the comment section, and subscribe my channel, share it as well. Thank you so much. I'll bring you more of these readings. Good night, take care, bye bye. Let's see pile 3. What is going on in your love life, and who you marry? Will you marry? Yes, you are planning a lot. You are thinking a lot about your marriage, and you constantly keep on thinking that what is going on in my love life, and who will I marry, who I end up marrying, and you are not having any clarity about this. You are cutting people out of your life because these people are no longer serving you, or you are into your power. You might be dealing with a fire sign, air sign, water sign. Yes. And you are feeling very anxiety. You are not even sleeping at night. You having sleepless nights because you love. You are in it is a situation that you might be in love with someone, and suddenly you break up with that person. That is also the possibility, and now you feeling defeated, and you having a fear that that person will walk away from your life and will never come back. Definitely, this is your soulmate or twin flame. Or it is also a possibility that the person with whom you are dealing is your boss, someone who's elder than you or older than you, and you feel hesitate telling that person that you are in love with that person because that will affect your relationship. It is a possibility that you guys are friends. You meet each other in friends party, or you guys are friends earlier, and now you feel love for that person, and it's very difficult for you to tell that person that you are in love with that person because this will affect your relationship. Or might be it is a possibility that he's already married, and you suddenly fall in love with that person, and now you feel that what if I tell that person that I am in love, this will affect his married life or our relationship. It is a possibility that you guys you guys are in same gender sex relationship. You both are guys, you both are males. That is what I am seeing. If you both are males, you are feeling anxious that person is senior to you, or that person is your boss, and if you tell that person that you are in love with that person will reject you, or this will affect your relationship. Or if you are a female and you are dealing with your male, that definitely that person is senior to you, or if that person is not senior to you, definitely he is mature than you, and he's a manager or CEO or boss, or he might be in army, military, or somewhere in authoritative position, and you hesitate telling that person that you are in love because you are not that mature, or you are not you are not on good position. That is also the scenario. Or you guys are friends, and you are hesitating telling you are feeling hesitant telling that person you are in love. But guys, don't worry, because this is a divinely guided protection, and it is a possibility that you are each other's twin flame, and divines are protecting this relationship, and that if you tell that person will also accept you, and this is just your myth that this person will not reciprocate your love. It is a possibility that that person also loves you, because this relationship is your wish fulfillment, and divines are protecting this relationship. it is a possibility that you both love each other, and maybe that person is also in love with you and he is not telling you the way you are having fear in telling about your feelings to that person. Because stability is coming, you guys will end up marrying each other, and your love life will, if you are already in love and there is some issues going on in your love life, definitely you will end up marrying that person, and stability is coming in your love, in your life. Because this is a reading that who will you marry. If you are dealing with this kind of a person, definitely you will end up marrying this person. So don't worry and chill out, relax. Things will be fine between both of you. So if you like my reading, please do subscribe my channel, share, comment in the comment section, like my videos, and please appreciate my work and let me know how do you like my work. I will keep on bringing these kind of videos and these kind of readings for you. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. And love you. Thank you.